Hello everyone, friends on the channel. Today I'll show you what to do if Valorant doesn't open or start. First, close all tabs related to Valorant, which are Riot, Vanguard, and Valorant. Right-click and exit. Next, find the Valorant folder. Go to the folder where you have Valorant installed. For me, it's on the disk, Riot Games Valorant Live. In shooter game binaries Win64, find Valorant-Win64-shipping.x, right-click Properties, Compatibility, and check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. The next method is to go to Services, find VGC, right-click Properties, and set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start. The process will run. Close it. Another way is to search misconfig and open system configuration. Find the VGC service and make sure it's checked. If no checkmark here, click it, hit apply, then OK. Next method, type run, launch search, type %%, click settings, add a dot and 1, click OK. Then open Device Manager, find our video card, display adapter, make sure, click Update Driver, search Auto. Check we've got latest drivers. Next method, type Graphics Settings, click Find, locate Valorant folder, under Real Games Valorant Live. Click Hit Options in full, then Power. Click Save. Ensure the box is checked. Or lastly, right-click Shortcut, Compatibility Settings. If box is checked here, uncheck it. If not, check it. Hit save, then restart your PC. Game should work now. That's all. Thanks for watching. This was Blur. Bye everyone.